Hello, good day everyone. My name is Adrian, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to establish a VPN connection. Okay, so the first thing, open your server manager, click on manage, add roles and features. Now we have been through this process many times before in other videos, so click next again, select your server and click next. And here we're going to select remote access. So check that off and click next. Click next again. And click next again. Here I'm going to select direct access and VPN and add features. Okay, now click next. Click next again. Click next again. And here I'm going to select restart the destination server automatically if required and install. So this process here might take a while, so I will speed up the video right now. Okay, we're back, and as you can see, our configuration required installation succeeded on our server. Okay, now I'm going to close this off and go to remote access. Here I'm going to go to configuration required for direct access and VPN. So I'm going to click on more. And from here I'm going to open the getting started wizard. Okay, seems like the wizard is not opening for me, so a simple solution, if this is happening to you as well, just go to tools and go to remote access management. This is just a simple solution to that problem. Alright, now I'm going to select direct access and VPN. Now we can run the getting started wizard. Perfect. Here I'm going to select deploy VPN only. And for the next step, we want to right click on our server and configure the routing and remote access server. So as you can see, when I click on properties, we can't do anything further than that, so I'm going to click OK here. And now I'm going to go back and right click on it and configure and enable routing and remote access. Here click next, and here I'm going to select custom configuration. Click next again, and here I'm going to select VPN access. Click next again, click finish, and here click start service. Alright, now we're going to right click back on our server and go to properties. And for this section, I'm going to click on the IPv4 tab. And here you can select either the DHCP or the static address pool. Since we have already set up a DHCP, I'm going to leave it as it is. Click apply and OK. Now I'm going to close this off. And okay, this error doesn't mean anything, so I'm gonna click OK. I'm gonna close this off. And now I'm gonna go to Tools, and I'm gonna select Active Directory Users and Computers. Alright, now here I'm gonna select John Smith, which is a user we've been using in our past videos. So I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna go to Properties, and I'm gonna go to Dial In. Here, for the network access permission, I'm going to allow access. Alright, now I'm going to click on Apply and OK. Great. Now, I'm going to close this off and I'm going to go to John Smith's client, which is Windows 7 Ultimate. Now here we'll be connecting to the VPN. So I'm going to right click here and open the Network and Sharing Center. I'm going to click on Local Area Network. Actually, no, I'm going to click on Set up a new connection. And we're going to connect to a workplace. Click Next. And here I'm going to use my internet connection VPN. And here you can set up an internet connection later or now. Since I'm not connected to the internet, I'm going to connect that later. For the internet address, I'm going to simply just type in the IP address of our server. Okay, now I'm going to click Next. And I'm going to type in John Smith's logon name and, well, his username and his password. Now I'm going to click Create. Connection is ready to use, so I'm going to close this off. And now I'm going to go back to over here, and as you can see, VPN connection. So before we connect to the VPN, I'm going to right click, go to Properties, and I'm going to go to Security. Here for the data encryption, I'm going to select optional encryption. And for the next part, I'm going to select allow these protocols. It is already selected for me, so I'm going to leave it as it is, and make sure you have the Microsoft Chat version 2 selected. Click OK. Now I'm going to go back and connect to the VPN. And here I'm going to leave the username, and I'm going to enter John Smith's password, and I'm going to connect to the VPN. Click Connect. Okay, and now if we go back, as you can see, the VPN connection says connected, which is a good sign. It is successfully connected to the VPN. And as you can see, our VPN connection is VPN. So if we go back to our server, I'm going to go back to Tools and Remote Access Management. And here I'm going to select remote client status. I'm sorry if this video is kind of out of timing because this is just a voiceover. Yeah. So when we select remote client status, as you can see, John Smith is connected to AR server 2012-0. So yeah, and that's how you establish a VPN connection for Windows Server 2012. Thank you all for watching. I hope you learned something from this video and have a great day.